today we have a treat for you. Look at it right here. This dinghy has been rubbing on the dock and it has cut through. So what we're gonna do, because it didn't go through all the way, we're sanding it on the outside as you can see. And then we have the material made up. It will be one cabin on the inside, one cabin on the outside. Two coats, stick that, and we're gonna put, like I told you, if you watch my videos, we're gonna clamp. Oh. Nice and clean.
Yeah.
We have the rag. You know what y'all call it, but this is what we use in our country. Tooling to clean the area. Make sure it has no impurities. So when we get ready to put down the first glue, the two coat, get it nice and clean. Okay, as for the material, this will be the first patch because it's different color and nobody's gonna see it. You can use this, and then this is gonna be the money patch. This is the last patch, and this is what you charge for. Yeah. Forgot to sand it. So we sanded it now. Okay, because this one is going to be double-sided, you have to sand both sides. Alright, both of them are sanded now. So
Sand the outside of that one now?
no, I don't have to sand the outside of that one because that is the cover patch. You don't sand the outside of the cover patch. You only sand the outside of the patch that is going to be covered. And if you're not doing no cover, and if you're not doing two patches, just one side. Just one side is good enough. Okay, clean white. I'm not too sure if I'm saying it right, but I say tooling. You might say something else, but I say tooling. We tooling white. And this is already pre-made glue. It's just regular hyperlong glue. It's nothing special. If you can go to your regular your marine store, you get two pack. The one pack glue, I obviously will tell you avoid it. I don't like it. It's too quick and simple, and it barely works. So I don't use one pack glue for nothing. Everything I use is two pack. Yeah, get it nice. Get it nice. This is not a part of the job. What we call this is doing extra, and not too much extra. I'm not doing much. I'm not getting paid for that. I'm getting paid for this. Oh, Right. So now, we just have to wait about 15 minutes, 10 minutes.
We'll be right back.
Huh?